Okay guys, we got major damage to the garden. Ange is mad. Looks like the obelisk blew over. Not good. Not good. The top broke off. We're gonna have to get some spikes, stab in the ground and keep that thing secured. I could do that. Nope. Yep.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Hello. How's it going?
See, we could have had this concreted in the ground like I wanted to, and this wouldn't happen. And now we've got potential damage to the rose and to the clematis.
Look, we can't concrete that in the ground.
Yes, we can.
No, we have to spike it.
Why can't we not concrete it?
Because.
Because why?
What are you going to do? Dig a big hole?
It doesn't need a big hole.
Yes, it does.
A small hole at each leg.
No, what we do is we take spikes and drive them into the ground.
You have tried multiple ways to fix this, and none of your ways have succeeded.
Negative.
Yes.
I have not tried multiple ways.
Really?
I've kind of just come out here and pretended, but I haven't really
you
actually.
had all the little ball bearings hooked to it.
I haven't
and
really
the bungee
tried.
cord and
Yeah, that was like a.
yeah.
I never really tried to fix it. I mean, I could fix it if I really tried.
See, now, this thing that you were yapping about yesterday won't come off. I mean, it will, but this clematis is so trained on there that I'll have to cut off so much of it off to get it to happen. Then I'll probably just kill the plant.
No, you don't want to kill the plant. Check out this outfit. Look at that. I like it.
Right.
How's it looking?
It's looking like devastation. Death and devastation.
We need a spike.
And the things are missing. They've broken off. You need more than a flake. They fell over so many times that it's very broken. One's missing here, down here.
Well, look, that thing was never sturdily built in the first place.
Why would you not build it sturdily?
Because you said you wanted it to look old and rustic.
That doesn't
So
mean...
now it looks old and rustic and broken.
No. No.
I can fix it. Put that back up there. Look, I'll get some spikes and spike it in the ground and fix it.
What about the little pieces that are missing?
I'll put them back on there.
They're gone.
No, they're not. They're right there.
No, they're not. That's just one. I don't know where they've disappeared to. Must have blown away.
You look pretty good today.
Thanks.
I mean, you look very fall. Look at the trees in the background. That looks good. Oh yeah, that looks good. Wait, what are you doing?
I'm taking the rose off so you can fix it.
So I can fix the obelisk.
Or buy a new one. Try to make more sense.
Oh, she seems to be upset about this. I'll fix it.
So we still got the one over there that needs to be fixed too. Hold this before it goes somewhere you may not like.
So, looks like the obelisk blew over. I'm gonna have to repair it and get some spikes for the ground. I could fix that.
What do you mean spikes?
So basically what I'm going to do is get two like tent spikes, and then you drive them into the ground, and then you'll attach that thing to the tent spikes. I think I have tent spikes in the shed. We have a tent we've never stayed in. You know this, right?
And how do you plan on attaching it to the spikes?
I'll figure that out.
Now I want this to be legitimate, 100% legitimate.
Okay, this will, all right, okay.
That's with Ganny's rose bush.
Okay.
You tear up a different rose bush is one thing, but not this one. Look how big that is.
All right. There. If it falls down again, I'll just buy her a new one.